Ertuğrul. Allah'a bin şükür Ertuğrul. Burada aramızdasın.
Ertuğrul, Allah'a bin şükür Ertuğrul, burada aramızdasın. Meaning of the sentence, Ertuğrul, thank God, and he says his name also, you are here among us. So, Ertuğrul is his name. Allah'a bin şükür. Thank God, the same sentence means thank God 1,000 times. But well translated to English, we say thank God only. Burada, here, aramızdasın, you are among us. Aramızda, among, us, sen, you. So you are among us. So Ertuğrul, thank God you are here among us.
Nasıl oldu bu?
Nasıl oldu bu? How did this happen? So nasıl is how, oldu bu, bu is this. Oldu means in the past, did. But while translated we say nasıl oldu bu? How did this happen?
Yaşayacak. Düşmanlarıma cihanı dar edecek daha vaktim varmış.
Yaşayacak düşmanlarıma cihanı dar edecek daha vaktim varmış. The meaning of the sentence, I still have time to live and make the word difficult for my enemies. So, yaşayacak will live. But he's talking about himself. This is how he said it. Düşmanlarıma, to my enemies, for my enemies. Cihanı means word. Dar edecek, alone means to narrow down from, because dar means narrow, but here he means he wants to make the lives of his enemies difficult. And we said that in translation, so we changed a little bit in the meaning so that it fits with the sentence, with the meaning of the whole conversation. Daha vaktim, more time varmış, there is. So vakit means time, daha vaktim, more time, more of my time. So I have, okay, let's say the translation, I still have time to live and make the word difficult for my enemies.
Emir Saadettin.
Hepimiz seni öldü bildik. Toprağa verdik.
Hepimiz seni öldü bildik, toprağa verdik. We all thought that you were dead. Now, toprağa verdik, I translated it as we buried you. But let me start with the sentence. Toprak means soil. Okay, toprak alone means soil. Verdik, we gave. So we gave to the soil. We buried you, in other words. This is how we translate it. Toprağa verdik, we buried. Of course, he's talking about him. We buried you, although they didn't say you over here, but we know from the conversation. Hepimiz, all of us, seni öldü, you died, bildik, we knew. So bildik, from bilmek to know, bildik, we knew. We don't translate it by saying we all knew that you died. No. We all thought that you were dead. We buried you.
Toprağa verdiğiniz benim değil, bana tuzak kuranlardan birinin cesediydi.
Toprağa verdiğiniz benim değil, bana tuzak kuranlardan birinin cesediydi. Meaning, the body you buried was not mine, it was the body of one of those who set the trap for me. So, as we said, toprağa verdiğiniz, the one that you buried. We explained how the sentence is made up in the previous conversation. Benim değil, it's not me, it's not mine. So, again, the one you buried was not me. This is the meaning. Bana tuzak kuranlardan birinin cesediydi. It was the body. So ceset means body. Cesediydi was in the past. Was the body. So it was the body of one. Birinin means one. Of one of those who set the trap for me. So bana means me. Tuzak means trap. Kuranlardan those who did the trap. So those who set the trap bana for me. Again, meaning of the sentence. The body you buried was not mine. It was the body of one of those who set the trap for me.
Pek iyi, pek iyi. Bunca vakit neredeydin Ertuğrul Bey?
Pek iyi, pek iyi. Bunca vakit neredeydin Ertuğrul Bey? Pek iyi, he repeated it 2 times, which means very well. Where have you been all this time, Ertuğrul Bey? So bunca vakit. Bunca vakit means all this time. Vakit means time. Bunca all of this time. So all this time. Neredeydin? Where were you? Nerede we know is where. D, which is after the Y, is in the past, and ne is for you. So where were you? Ertuğrul Bey, and he said his name, so the meaning very well. Where have you been all this time, Ertuğrul Bey?
Bir köle tüccarının eline düşmüştü.
Bir köle tüccarının eline düşmüştüm. I fell into the hands of a slave trader. So bir köle means a slave. Tüccarının means trader. So a slave trader. Eline düşmüştüm. Düşmüştüm. From düşmek to fall. Düşmüştüm. I fell. Eline in the hands or into the hands of a slave trader.
Lakin çok şükür kurtuldum.
Çok şükür kurtuldum. Thank God I survived. So this is it. Çok şükür it passed. Thank God kurtuldum. I survived. So he got away from, he escaped from the slave trader.
Buradayım artık.
Buradayım artık. I'm here now as it is. So burada means here. Buradayım. I am here artık. It gives the meaning of now. So I am here now.
Ala. Ala. Hoş gelmişsin.
Ala, ala, hoş gelmişsin. So superb, superb is the meaning of this word. Ala, hoş gelmişsin. You are welcome. It's like you're welcome. From hoş gelmek, welcome. So this is a short sentence. It's done.
Biz de tam hayırlı bir işi tamamına erdirmiştik.
Biz de tam hayırlı bir işi tamamına erdirmiştik. Meaning of this sentence, we have completed a good deed. So, tamamına erdirmiştik, completed, completed we say, tamamına, all of it. But we don't translate it this way. Completed what? A good deed. So biz de, we also, tam hayırlı bir işi, a good deed. So we don't say a good work because they were signing contracts. Or yes, they were signing contracts, but they were intending to do something by signing this contract. It was a good thing, as he is saying. Tam hayırlı bir işi, a good deed, tamamına erdirmiştik, we have completed. So, we have completed a good deed.